leonArdo's chart is definitely without equal in the cryptocurrency trading arena. It's gorgeous to look at and even better to interact with. Okay, let's get started. Drag to the left to reveal a price aligned depth chart and pull here to make the chart even bigger. A pan tilt mode allows you to move it in all directions and change the candle view to whatever you're used to trading. We have up to 4 years data for selected markets. On the left there are some more options. The candles button has 3 modes. In grayed out mode, completed orders in the chart jump out. Hover them to reveal all the information you need for this cycle. Some of the other options: you can show or hide strategies, completed orders, adapt the size of the candles, hide or show indicators, the pan tilt mode, and also you can show or hide tooltips. The next feature is our ruler feature. So here we have a completed sell order, and let's say you want to place a buy order and ensure that you make 1% effective margin. To the left of the ruler you can see the effective margin. Let's increase it to 1%. And now we can place this order. To adapt the price, drag this line down, and the amount can be adapted using either the slider or you can type it in. Let's place the order. And what's great with leonArdo is you can now adapt this order right in the chart. And don't forget that leonArdo Tools allows you to view and interact with multiple charts. Okay, that's it for this video, but we've lots more features in the pipeline. Thanks for watching, guys.